Following up is so very vital. You just can't, let's say, this is what most businesses do, right? They'll send an estimate via email. Maybe they'll call and say, hey, this is such and such. Did you get my estimate? Do you have any questions? No? Okay. That's it. And that's if they call. A lot of business owners, they just negate or just neglect the fact of following up and the impact that has. So I implement a formula in terms of following up. I call it the 2-2-1, and all it is just following up at least 5 times within 3 days. So it works very well and it works very efficiently.